Up first this evening, a multi-million-dollar legacy project is in limbo as workers upgrading Mandela Highway may strike for a fifth consecutive day come tomorrow.
Workers put the brakes on the project on Friday, saying there's limited safety gear, wages are low, and they're being treated badly.
Despite an intervention from the Member of Parliament, a meeting scheduled for today did not happen, and stakeholders are now worried the project will not be completed on time. TVJ's Kelisha Williams reports.
Day 4 and workers attached to the Mandela Highway project have not turned up for work. The workers have been protesting better wages and the lack of proper safety gear. Member of Parliament for Eastern St. Catherine Denise Daly says it's possible workers will stay off the job tomorrow. The reasons?
They did not conclude with how much they would be given as an increase.
The workers were expected to talk with their employer, China Harbour Engineering Company, and other stakeholders at a meeting on Monday, but that didn't go as planned.
No, but we had some phone conversations and we were, Member Hilton, the Member of Parliament Hilton and myself, and the representative from China Harbour. We spoke at length and the decision was that we would prefer to go to them with the full package instead of talking to them about safety equipment and the other little issues that they have.
And to make matters worse, questions are being raised about the impact the strike will have on the timeline given for completing the project.
Slow down the work, set back everything, you see me? The amount of time, the time span where them get for done the work, the road and thing, that have to set back to, you know, because if we know that work I do the thing, you know, because remember say we do all of the dirty work and thing, you know.
In the meantime, the Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees, which represents some of the Czech workers, is still waiting to hear when the meeting will be held. The union's General Secretary, John Levy, has written to the company on the matter.
China has refused to recognize us as the bargaining agent. And, you know, this is what manifests itself when you don't have organized labor and representation. Then workers will act when they see that their interest is being threatened. If the company had recognized the UKs, then we would have sat down with them and worked through some of the issues, and the project would be still up and running.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.